Yeah, let's continue master Snowflake. In this session, we are going to discuss DRL, data retrieval language, or DQL, data query language for Snowflake. Okay, so in DRL or DQL, we have only one command called select. Select command can be used to retrieve data from retrieve data from table. Okay, let's see. I am creating one table called employee table with two records. Let's say I am creating table called employee table with two records. Let's say I am inserting data into the table, two records. Then my requirement is I want to see all rows and all columns. I want to see all rows and all columns. Then we can use select star from table name. So here star means all rows and all columns. Select star from table name. Here star means all rows and all columns team. Let me execute. You can see all rows and all columns. My requirement is I want only few columns. Then you can specify column names instead of star. My requirement is only few columns but all rows. Then you can specify column names. Next one, I want few rows, few columns. Then we can use where call. We can use where condition. So all rows, sorry, all columns, but few rows. Based on this filter condition, we want to display number of records. So only one record satisfied with is greater than 25. I want few columns, few rows based on condition. Then select specify list of columns from table name, then write filter condition. Instead of all columns, it displays specified columns and satisfied rows. So in this way, we can write multiple filter conditions with select query. Okay. So in data retrieval or data query language, we have only one command called select.